Alright, so I'm going to show you how you can trade on Redcoin, how you can switch your finances from one account to another, and what you need to know about Redcoin. If you don't have an account yet, you can create an account using the link in my description below. And then after you create your account, you will land to this page. Number one, you have to know how to deposit the money in Redcoin. When you come to the corner here where it says assets, when you click on it, there is a provision of deposit, withdraw, and transfer. So if you want to deposit, you are going to click on deposit, and then here there is TRC20 and ERC20. So mostly me, I use TRC20. If you want, you can still use ERC20, but I will use TRC20 in this case. I'll come to TRC20, and there is the address here, copy address. When you copy this address, you now go to your wallet where you are keeping the money, and then you choose TRC20, USDT TRC20 there, and then you withdraw from your wallet and send to this account, Redcoin account, which is the same. If you want to withdraw, you come here where it says withdraw, and then there's a prompt to say, please bind ERC20 withdraw address first. That's where now you are going to bind. When you bind your wallet here, you put in your TRC20 address or ERC20 address, you paste it here, and then you commit the changes. Once you do that, you are going now to withdraw your money. Same if you want to trade. Before trading, you need to transfer this money from where it is to option trading, because we trade using option trading. So you are going to come here where it says transfer. When you come to transfer, now look here on top, we've got fund account. Down here we've got financial account. And if you see on either these, there's a rate which is 0 balance in my account. So if I come here, you are going to find that I will choose in my option account. That's where I have some money, which is 3 USD. I can choose to move money from option account to fund account, and then sometimes I can even choose to there's fund account here. I can switch these two. So if you choose fund account, when you click confirm, let me click confirm. Please enter the amount. I am going to put in the same $3 which is in my account. I will confirm. Transfer prompt, confirm the transfer of $3 from option account to fund account. I'll confirm. Transfer failed. So reason is there is a minimum transfer that is required to move money from option account to fund account. As you can see now, the money is showing in my capital account. If I come here to transfer, I'll come here where it says capital account. Okay, already in my option account, that's where there's money. In my option account, there is nothing here. Okay, I'll move money from fund account to option account again, and then I will click here. Please enter the amount here. I'm going to put the same $3, and then I will confirm. Transfer this, then confirm. Transfer succeeded. As you can see now, my money is in option account here. So this is how you run around with the transfers from one account to the other. For you to trade, make sure your money is here. If your money is in any of these accounts, either capital account, financial account, or trading account, you have to move them to option account. That is where we trade from. Then when you want to withdraw now, you're going to move the money to capital account and withdraw. So having done that, for you to start trading now, you need to come where it says trade here. When you click here, you are going to see a number of coins being displayed. So you, for example, here you can choose any coin. When I click here, I'll choose any coin here that we are trading at that particular time. Let's say that day we are trading, let's say we are trading okay, let's say we are trading TTM. I'll click TTM, and then I'm going to click here where it says buy TTM. When I click buy TTM, here I'm going to put in the amount there. Now what happens is you have to click on 100%. You click on 100% here. When you click on 100%, then you come to buy. You're going to see that available USDT, I have 0 here, but if I have something, it's going to show here, and then I'll click buy. When I click buy, it will take me to a period. No, when you are here, you don't go on actuals, you go on option trade here. Option trade here. When you go on option trade, you have now to choose here the coin, which is TTM. Let's go this one. When you choose this coin, you are going to click here where it says buy more, because there's buy more, there's buy short. So there's, when the signal talks about buy more, you click buy more. If it says buy short, you click buy short. But for now, we are going to click buy more. When you click buy more, you, as you can see now on my option account, I've got $3. I'm going to click 600 seconds. That is buy more. Then the purchase amount here, I am going to actually I'm going to put the entire 3 USD. Then after doing this, I'll click confirm. As you can see, this is less than the minimum amount. So you'll need to have about $30 for you to start trading in this Redcoin account. So recharge your account. You need a minimum of $30 for you to trade, and just follow this same simple procedure that I have given to you. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any other question, you can drop in the comment section and I'll be able to respond. Subscribe to the channel, like the channel, and share the channel. Thank you so much. God bless.